how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Let's teach you how you will be able to have your GoDaddy domain over here be attached to one of your Wix websites. So first things first, select a website that you want to utilize your domain to. For example, we have this site over here. Simply open its dashboard. In the dashboard, that is where we will be able to find the settings that would allow us to connect our domain. So as you can see here, we have the option to add a custom domain in this part. You could also find this setting inside of your settings over here on the left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply enter the domain that we have under the section over here. Click on Let's Go. And then you will be able to begin the process of connecting a custom domain. Connecting a custom domain could be automatic or manual, depends on the platform that you're utilizing. But in Wix, it's semi-automatic where you're just simply going to enter several information and it will be able to connect to your GoDaddy domain over here. But you would need to upgrade your plan, by the way. In Wix, you need to have a premium plan to be able to connect your domain or your custom domains inside of your Wix websites. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.